We haven't done a restaurant video in a while, so we want to show you Anna Maria Oyster Bar today, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome to Anna Maria Oyster Bar. We're not on Anna Maria right now, we're actually at the UTC area, University, on the north side of University and Honore, northeast side. So I can't tell you how much this area has grown. I mean, the UTC area with the mall and all of that surrounds here has exploded. Actually, we also have, not far from this location, a Ruth's Chris opening up. Amazing. Anyway, so here we are, where this is kind of what it looks like outside. There's actually this amazing outdoor bar too, which is fabulous. As we sit here early September 2023, actually the weather's not so bad. And as it cools off, this will be a very hopping place. There's tons of fans, which we need this in Florida, guys, because yes, it gets hot and muggy. And with those blasting seats, it's nice enough to not even have those on right now. Wait till you see the inside. It's adorable, very beachy, apropos to like ocean vibes. I'm personally a big fan of clam chowder, and thumbs up. There's also, if you like clam chowder, by the way, there's Captain Kurt's on Siesta Key. They're kind of known for it. It's a thicker clam chowder, like saltier. This is like a thinner base. I found it to be very delightful. The staff is really friendly. Just a great size menu, lots of options, and I'll put some pictures up so you can take a look at some of the options that they have here. I would recommend it. For me, it's an easy location to get in and out of. Yeah, and it's actually down that way is Oak and Stone, another great spot if you like different beers. You can go in and you can get like a wristband thing and try all the different beers and stuff. And there's other stuff nearby, so you can get your dog groomed while you're getting a bite or run whatever other errands here. So again, this area is very, very convenient. The inside is so cute. Look at this table. Super beachy, just relaxed vibes. I honestly feel like I'm on Anna Maria Island, right? Too far for me to drive to Bradenton because I live off of University, but again, it's really apropos to island life out here, Anna Maria Island Oyster Bar. Alright, so if you guys like seafood and you want to try this out, highly recommend. We also have Owen's Fish Camp. Owen's Fish Camp is a locally owned and operated business. They have one downtown, like Burns Court area, which we actually have a video there. When we kind of started our YouTube channel, we have a video there on another restaurant tour video. And we also, so anyway, they have a location that's opening up, it's open actually, in the Lakewood Ranch area. So all of this area, I cannot even express how much it's exploded. So in line with that, Fleming's and then Ruth's Chris, like I said, there's so many more just restaurants in general in this vicinity. I would say probably even more than downtown at this point. Yeah, so that's it. So thank you again for watching, subscribing and liking our videos. We like to bring forth, you know, lifestyle information, not just real estate, but I think, you know, making sure you know what's here in Sarasota, not just beaches, but restaurants and theater and all kinds of things. But we also want to keep you informed of the local real estate. So also wait for our end of the month market update videos, because we go in great detail about that as well. So thank you again. Click that link below, shaylatwit.com.